Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I promised you last time that I will discuss about coding in one of my vlogs. So here it is now. I hope that you stay tuned until the end of this video so that you will know some things about coding that may be helpful in your research. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my uploads. Coding, as you may have known by now, is one of the most important steps in data analysis. You cannot complete your data analysis without doing some kind of coding. Since many of you are beginners in research, I would like to begin with basic concepts about coding that you need to understand. There are two major types of coding that you should be aware of, and these are for your quantitative and your qualitative research. For quantitative research, which is the focus of today's vlog, you are expressing everything in numbers. So your data may be a combination of real numbers as well as non-numerical information. For responses expressed in real numbers like age, weight, income, you may not need to code them differently. If you are using SPSS, a statistical software used for research analysis, you may simply enter them on the spreadsheet as they are. However, for non-numerical information such as gender identity, educational background, school attended, responses to open-ended questions, among others, need to be coded or assigned a number. Since you're doing a quantitative analysis, you need to express all the non-numerical data into numbers. So let's say for gender identity, you have three responses such as male, female, and others. You can code them as one for male, two for female, and three for others. But if you want to be specific about the others response, then you can also assign a specific number for each one. But you need to understand that the numbers here should not be interpreted as real numbers. Therefore, you cannot say that 3 is bigger than 1 since the numerical assignment is only done so that you can enter them on a spreadsheet of a statistical software like SPSS. You can also do the same for educational attainment. Let's say after gathering your data, your respondents showed that they have the following educational background: high school graduates, some college, and college graduates. You can code them the same way as gender. 1 for high school graduates, 2 for some college, and 3 for college graduates. You do the same for the other non-numerical data until all of them are assigned a specific numerical code. The challenge is with the responses for open-ended questions. My recommendation is to go through all the responses of your respondents on each question, come up with a categorical code, and assign a numerical code for each of these categories so you can enter them on a spreadsheet. For example, you ask your respondents what they did during the first enhanced community quarantine last year, and suppose you have the following responses after you categorize them into themes: pursued a hobby, started a business, enrolled in an online class, worked online. So for each of these categories, you need to assign a numerical code. You can assign 1 to pursued a hobby, 2 to started a business, 3 to enrolled in an online class, and 4 to worked online. Before you start encoding your codes on your computer or on any statistical software, make sure you have a coding manual. What is a coding manual? A coding manual is a list of all codes you have for each item in your questionnaire or your interview schedule. A sample is shown on the screen. This is the first thing that you need to prepare in order to avoid confusion, since all you can see on your spreadsheet is numbers. Did you learn something about this vlog? If you did, kindly share it with your classmates so that we'll also learn about coding in research. If you have specific questions about coding, do not hesitate to send me a message. You can send it to my Gmail account or Gmail address, which you can find on my channel. Alright, bye bye and see you next vlog. Thank you for watching.